What's up, traders? What's up, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. The content provided on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only and is not intended to be relied upon as legal, financial, or investment advice. So please be sure to read through the full disclaimer. I did actually just start a completely free newsletter. So if you guys are into free trade ideas and free trade setups going straight to your inbox, feel free to subscribe to that newsletter. There's a link in the description or comment section down below. Now, today's video is going to be on the ROSE, all right, ticker symbol ROSE. And you can see that there are three key levels of support, right here, and right here. Now, we're currently trading within those after just most recently testing our second major support level. So the current setup that I see and that I'm watching right now is going to be this trend line, right? You can see we've touched it here, here, and yet again here very recently within the past week. The more times you test the trend line, the weaker it's going to get. We're approaching these very key three levels of support where we know there's a lot of demand, right? And buyers stepped in, and we saw a very, very huge rally in the beginning of the year, based off of these price levels that we're currently trading at right now. So the big question is, will buyers step in and will demand step in? And could we get a similar type rally to what we got in the very beginning of 2023? Well, we don't know for sure, but here's what I'm paying attention to besides what I just pointed out. Take a look at your MACD right here. This is your moving average convergence divergence. But basically, to make things simple, you want to look for this white line to cross above the red line. That's typically known as an entry signal. And you can see after we got that entry signal, after basing in our support here and also building a bullish divergence, we had a very strong rally. Now, if you're not familiar with bullish divergence, I'll break it down for you guys very simply. Take a look how the RSI is making higher lows here. Meanwhile, the stock is just staying flat and essentially just going sideways, right? So we're seeing a divergence between price and the RSI. And if we can get something similar to form here, right? And so essentially, if price was to zigzag down here a little bit or consolidate, but we start to see our RSI move upwards and actually start to rise, we want to pay close attention to our MACD and see if we can get that bullish crossover above the red line. If that happens and all of these things happen, then it's very possible we can get our breakout, and we would look for a breakout retest of the trend line and ultimately a push up higher. The big level we need to hold above if we do get a breakout is we need to hold above 0.04818. If we can flip that area to support from resistance or really just blow right past it, that's when we have a much stronger chance of getting a really, a much higher move up towards the, zero point 0.06 region, potentially even to some of our prior areas of 0.065. Those are going to be some of the first targets we're looking at. And potentially, if we can get a really strong move to retest some of our previous highs, we would be looking to target this supply zone here at 0.08 to about 0.085. So let me know your thoughts down below. Is Rose dead, right? Is this project dead, or is there still some hope? And could this be a really good trading opportunity? Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more.